Hi, my name is Jack Dangermond, and I want to join Sanjay and many of the others in this amazing forum to this special meeting. You're a special group of people, and honestly, I really wish I could be there with you to celebrate and share and learn from all of the work that's going on. You know, like I, that our world is being challenged. It's not just the Ukraine social conflicts that are going on, but in a greater context, the whole human-induced climate change and the effects that it's having on our society and our world are almost paralyzing to think about. We're in steep declines of biodiversity, something that I suspect Jane Goodall will talk about in this meeting. We're in situations of wildfire and greater need for emergency response at all levels. We are collectively responsible for this future. It's creating a very unsustainable situation. And if we're going to have a positive outcome in this world, we're going to have to get together, and particularly I'm speaking here about you and the World Geospatial Forum community of public and private institutions, organizations that bring together societies, the private sector, leaders in government across Europe, organizations like the Dutch Cadastre, and countless others, collaborating, talking, and looking at how we can create a more sustainable future. One theme for me that cuts across all of our interests is taking a geographic approach. This is a kind of way of thinking and problem solving that integrates our respective technologies and sciences and information and helps us understand, helps the people who we serve understand how to manage at all scales, from local governments to our entire planet. This approach is integrative in nature. It's science-based. It's holistic. It emphasizes collaboration, thus the whole World Geospatial Forum's initiative of getting us together to think and include each other in our thinking and come up with solutions that really work. GIS and all of these technologies together are helping us enable this geographic approach more effectively, whether it's in data measurement or analytics or modeling, visualization, decision support, and ultimately taking this into action. This process, this framework of applying geographic knowledge widely is what this particular forum is about. And you know, geospatial professionals, often in the background, are already applying this to so many problems that are creating more sustainable futures. We need to scale this up, and this is partly why this meeting and this forum is here, exponentially growing it. And part of that is technology. Technology is advancing. Some of you are involved in the advancements itself, but we're surrounded by a technological world and a new, increasingly technological society. This is going to help us scale up and address some of these big challenges in major ways. I'll simply conclude that geospatial infrastructure, the result of this work, is emerging. And there are literally tens of millions of people now being fed with your kinds of information and talent so that people can make billions of maps every day. The coronavirus map was an example of this and exemplifies the effectiveness of being able to create a spatially literate society, a kind of nervous system for us to collaboratively bring together as opposed to polarize our societies. Our world is being challenged, you know this. We need to be responsible. This forum is a way to talk about these approaches and how we can act effectively. But just the technology aspects or even the data aspects won't be enough. It's about you and how we can together create effective solutions. Learn how to collaborate across some of the dividing lines that separate us. And above all, act with urgency to create a more sustainable future. Sanjay, once again, thank you so much for letting me speak for a couple of minutes. And like I say, my heart is with you. I wish I could collaborate and interact and learn from you. Have a great conference. Thank you.